Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. So this one divide by this one, we have number 1. Similar for the second one. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. Similar for this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.